Welcome everyone to day 3 of 10 days of JavaScript tutorial series. So today we are going to cover the loops in JavaScript. Okay, so let's cover the loops. How we can loop through our how we can basically loop through basically it can be array or objects. So we are going to see how we can loop through them. Okay, so first loop that we are going to see will be for. Okay, simple for loop. So for that what I will be doing is, first of all, let make an array. Okay, and let declare an array and assign it, like, let give it some name of fruits: apple, mango, grapes and banana. Okay, cool. Now let me simple console it down for you guys, that how it looks. So simple. So it is our array. Okay, and this array has a property length that is showing 4. Good. And in our JavaScript everything is object. Okay, so the methods and object, they also have one property known as they also have one property known as prototype. Okay, so look, these are all the methods that we can use with the array. Okay, like index of, slice, shift, unshift. Okay, so I'm not going into them right now, so let's just see our for loop. Okay, so for simple, let me take a variable I. Now simple condition 0 and I less than equal array dot length and I plus plus, and I will be simple logging the array. Okay, I'm to say items. Simple. Okay, we got apple, mango, grapes, banana. Okay, so our simple for loop is done. Now there is another way in which we can traverse through our array, and that is foreach. Okay, it is very helpful. Let's see. The syntax is as follows: array dot for each. Okay guys, array dot for each array dot for each, and what it is going to take is simple: the item. Okay, the element and the index. Okay, the element and the index. Here the element is apple, mango, grapes and banana. Okay, that it will point out while it will be traversing them one by one. Okay, now it is our arrow function. Okay, it is simply a function. Okay, there is no need of confusion. It is simply a function, arrow function. Okay, I will also discuss it in upcoming videos. Okay, and simply what we have to do is, what I will be doing in my function is multiplying each element of the array by 2. Okay, each element of the array by 2 and assigning it at its corresponding index. Okay, now let's, okay, so num is not present over here. Actually what I will be doing is, I will be making another array. Okay, let's make another array for each. Let's to compute our function. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, cool. Okay, console dot log. Okay, so guys, now you can see that what we were doing is simply multiplying the elements by 2. See, 2 4 6 8 10. Cool. Okay, so it worked actually. So for those people who have not understood what I have done, I can also perform it by this way, like simply num.foreach, and what I can do is, see what it is saying, it requires a callback, that is it requires a function. Okay, so I'm providing it a function, and that function takes the element and the index. Okay, and what that function is doing, it is simply multiplying each element by 2. Okay, I hope you will have better idea now. Okay, cool. So simple function I have used. Okay, so another function, another way that we can traverse is using map. Okay, so let's try it using map. Simple num.map. Okay, we can simple do function giving it element. Okay, it's totally your wish if you want to give index or not. If you are using index, then it's fine. If you are not, then you can simply omit it. Okay, so what I will be doing now is I will be simply I will simply double. Okay, yeah, let's do the square of each number. Okay, square. Okay, we got, okay, cool. Actually we didn't return anything. Yeah, cool. We simply did the square of each element. So guys, there is a major difference between foreach and map, because foreach doesn't return anything. Okay, it doesn't return anything, it returns undefined, whereas map simply returns an array. Okay, it simply returns an array, and that array contains the result. Okay, that array contains the result. Okay, the result of the operations that has been performed by this function. Okay, this function on each of the element. Okay, so this is the major reason between map and foreach. Okay, now another way, now to traverse through an array, what we can use is, we can also use for of loop. Okay, let's see, for of. Okay, now I of array and console dot log I. Okay, so here I, okay, is actually pointing to this apple, mango, grapes and banana. Okay, so that's why we got apple, mango, grapes and banana. Okay, so if you want the index, you can also use for in for the array. Okay, simple okay, for in, and here's the magic, we got its index. Okay, and one more thing, for in is also used for objects. Okay, so let's make a object. Okay, it is our object, and if you want to traverse through this object, okay, if you want to traverse through this object, you can easily traverse with the help of for in loop. Okay, let's see how. Console.log. Okay, so x, what is x? Name and age. Okay, so here x refers to our property. Okay, x refers to property. Okay, now what if we need value? Okay, so if you guys need value, what we can do is simply write object at x, and we will be getting our value age and 22. Okay, so guys, I hope you have understood this topic, that is loops. Okay, so we can traverse through simple loop. Okay, we can use for each, we can use map. Okay, I have told you the difference, that it simply returns a new array, it doesn't, it returns undefined. Okay, you can also check for yourself. And we have for off, for in for traversing our array, and we can also traverse our object using for in loop. So guys, if you like my video, then do give it a thumbs up, do share the video, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.